If you're using Chromium-based browsers, then what you can also do is install Chrome extensions for Gemini. So to do that, I'm going to go around onto a new tab right here, and I'm going to go around onto chrome.google.com/webstore. So let's just go around and say chrome.google.com/webstore right here, just like this. So if I were to go around onto this particular page, then what happens is that I get onto the web store right here. And now I can go around and search for Gemini right here. So let me just go around and say Gemini around over here. And once I do that, you can see that it says Gemini for Google, which displays Gemini responses alongside the search engine. And you can see that I can even get a side panel and open the Gemini's AI in Google Chrome's side panel right here, just like this. And then you can see that this is what I have. So there are many plugins, as you can see right here, like YouTube Summarizer, Gemini Web chatbot right here, and so forth, as you can see right here. So now if I were to go around and click, let's say, Gemini side panel right here, then this is what you have. As you can see, this is how you would get a side panel. So let's just go around and add this to Chrome, let's say, for example, and add the extension, as you can see, just like this, and this is what you have. So now I can simply go around and then like pin it out right here, and there you go. I got the Gemini side panel around over here, just like this. And over here in whatever web page you are, you can simply go around and chat with Gemini, as you can see right here, just like this. And similarly, you can go around and then add in different extensions, just like this, for Gemini, and then make sure that Gemini is more accessible for use. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.